In this video, I'll show you how to use Stripe for recurring invoices. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Next, go to the Products section and create a new product or service. Then add a recurring price by selecting a billing interval such as monthly, quarterly, or yearly. After that, navigate to the Customers section and create a new customer or select an existing one. Now, create a subscription for that customer and choose the recurring product you just created. Stripe will automatically generate invoices based on the billing schedule you selected. Next, make sure the customer has a payment method attached to their account. This allows Stripe to automatically collect payments when each invoice is issued. After that, review the subscription details and activate it. Stripe will handle the recurring invoicing process automatically. Now, monitor the subscription and invoice activity from the billing section of your Stripe dashboard. You'll be able to track upcoming invoices, successful payments, and any failed payment attempts. Finally, make changes whenever needed, such as updating pricing, changing billing intervals, or canceling subscriptions directly from the customer record. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Stripe for recurring invoices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.